What if I told you one of the smartest features in your Honda has been there the entire time, and there's a good chance you've never used it? The surprising part is that most owners never think to look for them. And I promise you that by the end of this video, you will use your Honda very differently than how you did before. Let's get into some of the most hidden settings your Honda dealer didn't know about. 14. Auto door lock and unlock customization. First up, let's start with something that most of you use every single day, without actually realizing you can customize it. Have you ever gotten into someone else's Honda and thought, wait, why did the doors lock differently than mine? And trust me, the reason is not just a different model at all. Many Honda vehicles, including the Civic, Accord, and CR-V, allow you to customize exactly when the doors lock and unlock. You can choose to lock them as soon as you shift into drive, once you reach a certain speed, or even decide whether only the driver's door unlocks in park, or all of them do. It's a small setting, but it completely changes how the car feels to use every day. And this setting is helpful because everyone feels differently. Some owners prefer maximum security, while others prioritize convenience when passengers are getting in and out. The best part is that many drivers never realize these options are already built into the vehicle. 13. Walk-away auto lock. Next, let me ask you a question that almost every Honda owner has asked themselves at least once. Did I actually lock the car? That small but consistent moment of doubt has probably sent plenty of people walking back across a parking lot just to check. But on many newer Honda models, including the Civic, Accord, CR-V, and Pilot, the car can actually take care of that for you. With walk-away auto lock enabled, your Honda can automatically lock itself after you walk away, as long as the key fob is detected outside the vehicle and all the doors, hood, and trunk are properly closed. It is a feature that's easy to forget exists because, when it's working, you barely notice it. The surprising part is that many owners don't even realize this setting can often be turned on, turned off, or customized through the vehicle's settings menu. It's a small convenience, but it's also one less thing to worry about every time you park. 12. Key fob window roll down. For this one, I need you to picture this. It's a blazing hot afternoon. Your Honda has been sitting in the sun for hours, and opening the door feels like stepping into an oven. Most people would just unlock the car and brace themselves. But on many Honda models, there's a much smarter way. On vehicles like the Accord, Civic, and Pilot, the sequence is to press, release, then immediately press and hold before you even reach the driver's seat, letting much of that trapped heat escape before you climb inside. It most definitely feels almost like a magic trick the first time you discover it. The only catch is that not every model year or trim includes this function, so it's worth checking your owner's manual or vehicle settings to see if your Honda supports it. But on a hot summer day, that tiny button press can definitely make your car feel completely different before the engine even starts. 11. Remote engine start climate memory. But cooling the cabin before you get in is only part of the story. Because on many newer Hondas, your remote start does far more than simply wake up the engine. Most owners think it's just there to start the car from a distance. In reality, many Honda models can automatically adjust the climate system based on the outside temperature. On a freezing winter morning, the system may warm the cabin and even activate the front and rear defrosters to help clear frost. While on a hot summer afternoon, it can begin cooling the interior before you ever open the door. The exact behavior varies depending on the model, its year, trim level, and climate control system. Still, the goal is always the same: to make the cabin more comfortable before your journey even begins. And once you've experienced stepping into a cabin that's already comfortable, it's surprisingly difficult to go back. 10. Customizing Honda. Sensing. But comfort isn't just about temperature. It's also about how your Honda behaves on the road. One of the biggest misconceptions about Honda sensing is that you only have two choices: trust it completely or switch it off. In reality, many Honda models let you fine-tune how these driver assistance features respond. Depending on your model and trim, you can adjust the following distance for adaptive cruise control, customize forward collision warning distances, and change road departure mitigation modes between normal, wide, or worn only. That means the system can be tailored to better match your driving style without sacrificing the extra layer of safety it was designed to provide. The goal isn't to disable these features, it's to understand them. A driver who spends most of their time on busy city streets may prefer different settings than someone who regularly covers long highway journeys. Before we get to the next hidden setting, I'm curious, which one has surprised you the most so far? Let me know in the comments. And if you're enjoying videos that uncover the hidden engineering and features most owners miss, don't forget to subscribe, because the next setting is buried deep inside the dashboard, and chances are that you've looked right past it. 9. Gauge cluster customization. Just like I mentioned, this feature is literally hiding in plain sight. Most Honda owners glance at the instrument cluster every few seconds while driving, but surprisingly few ever take the time to customize what it actually displays. Depending on your Honda model and trim, the digital gauge cluster can often be personalized to prioritize the information you care about most. That might include real-time fuel economy, turn-by-turn navigation, audio information, driver assistance status, trip data, or other vehicle information. Instead of scrolling through menus every time you need something, you can configure the display so your most important information is always front and center. It seems like a small change, but over months or even years of driving, those few extra seconds of convenience add up. After all, the dashboard is the part of your Honda you look at more than anything else. It makes sense to set it up for the person who uses it every day. You. 8. Auto high beam settings. But the dashboard isn't just there to show you information. It also gives you control over how some of your Honda's smartest features behave. Have you ever wondered why your headlights seem to switch on too early in the evening, or wait until it's pitch black? While you can't actually tune the sensitivity of the automatic high beams themselves, those are simply a straightforward on or off feature, you can customize when your main headlights kick in. Through your vehicle settings, you can adjust the auto light sensitivity across 5 different levels, from max to min. This determines exactly how dark it needs to be before your car decides it's time to light up the road. That can make a noticeable difference, whether you're driving on dark rural roads or through areas with frequent street lighting. The goal isn't brighter headlights. It's giving you the right amount of light at the right time, without distracting other drivers. 7. Adaptive cruise control fine-tuning. But seeing the road clearly is only half the equation. The next hidden setting changes how your Honda reacts to the traffic around you. Most drivers leave adaptive cruise control on the factory settings and never think about it again. But Honda gives you the ability to adjust the following distance, and choosing the right setting can make the system feel completely different. On open highways with steady traffic, a shorter following distance may provide a smoother driving experience while still maintaining a safe gap. In heavy traffic or poor weather, increasing the following distance gives the system more time to react and creates a larger safety buffer. There's no single best setting. The right choice depends on where you're driving and the conditions around you. That's why Honda lets you tailor the system instead of forcing every driver into the same experience. 6. Brake hold. However, not every journey happens on an open highway. If you spend hours creeping through traffic every week, this next hidden setting might be one of the most useful features your Honda has. Brake hold does exactly what its name suggests. Once you've come to a complete stop, the system can temporarily keep the brakes applied even after you lift your foot off the brake pedal. That means you don't have to keep pressing the pedal while waiting at long traffic lights or sitting in bumper-to-bumper traffic. It sounds like a small convenience, but during a long commute, it can noticeably reduce driver fatigue and make stop-and-go driving feel a lot less tiring. One thing many owners misunderstand, though, is what brake hold is actually designed to do. It's a temporary driving aid, not a replacement for the parking brake. When you're parking or leaving the vehicle, the parking brake should still be used as intended. 5. Auto idle stop behavior. Speaking of everyday driving, here's a feature that probably divides Honda owners more than any other: auto idle stop. Some people love the fuel savings, others wish it never existed. But regardless of which side you're on, understanding how it works makes the system far less confusing. Auto idle stop is designed to temporarily shut the engine off when the vehicle comes to a complete stop. Then restart it as soon as you're ready to move again. The goal is simple: reduce unnecessary idling and improve fuel efficiency. What many owners don't realize is that the system won't always activate, and that's completely normal. It depends on several conditions, including battery health, engine temperature, climate control demand, and other operating requirements. If the engine needs to keep running to maintain performance or cabin comfort, Honda simply leaves it running. 4. Hidden maintenance information. But your Honda isn't just making decisions while you drive. It is also quietly telling you when it needs attention. Most owners see the maintenance minder pop up, notice the remaining oil life, and assume that's all there is to it. In reality, Honda's system provides much more detailed information than many people realize. Along with the oil life percentage, you'll often see service codes such as A or B, followed by numbers like 1, 2, or 3. Those aren't random reminders, they're actually a maintenance roadmap. For example, an A service generally indicates an engine oil change, while B includes an oil and filter change along with a more comprehensive inspection. The numbered subcodes point to additional maintenance items, such as tire rotation, air filter replacement, transmission fluid service, or other scheduled checks, depending on the vehicle. Ignoring those subcodes can mean overlooking maintenance your Honda is specifically asking for. Sometimes the smartest hidden feature isn't changing your car. It's learning how to understand what it's already telling you. 3. Driver position memory. And wait, before you jump into something else, your Honda doesn't just remember when it needs service. On many models, it can remember the person behind the wheel too. If your household has more than one driver, you've probably experienced the routine. You adjust the seat, reposition the mirrors, and try to find that perfect driving position all over again. On Honda models like the Accord, Pilot, and Passport, available driver position memory takes care of that for you. With the press of a button, or, on some models, by recognizing a specific key fob, the vehicle can automatically restore your saved seat position, mirror settings, and, where equipped, even the steering wheel position like Acura. It's the feature that doesn't seem like a big deal until you start using it every day. For families or couples who regularly share the same vehicle, it turns what used to be a small inconvenience into something that happens automatically. Because the best technology doesn't ask you to adapt to the car, it quietly adapts the car to you. 2. Individual drive modes. But your personalization shouldn't stop with just the seat position. Your Honda can also change the way it feels on the road. Many owners see buttons like Normal, ECON, Sport, or Snow Mode and assume they're just marketing gimmicks. But these settings actually change how the vehicle responds. Depending on the model, drive modes can adjust things like throttle response, transmission behavior, steering feel, and how aggressively the vehicle prioritizes efficiency or performance. Econ mode may soften throttle inputs and optimize systems for better fuel efficiency. Sport mode can make acceleration feel more immediate and keep the transmission more responsive. Snow mode, where available, is designed to provide smoother control in slippery conditions. The important thing to understand is that these modes don't magically add horsepower or transform the car into a completely different machine. Instead, they adjust the personality of the vehicle to match the situation. 1. Hidden owner's manual and vehicle settings. But after discovering all these features, there's one final question. What if the biggest hidden Honda setting isn't a feature at all? It's the place where many of those features are hiding. The customization menu. Many Honda owners spend years driving their vehicles without ever exploring the full range of settings available to them. Inside the vehicle menus, owners can often adjust and personalize everything from lighting behavior and door locks to alerts, remote functions, driver assistance settings, and display preferences. The surprising part is that Honda didn't just build a car with preset behaviors. They built a vehicle that can be tailored around the person driving it. And that's the real hidden feature. Not one button or one secret trick. It's realizing that your Honda may already have more capability than you've ever used. Which hidden Honda feature surprised you the most? Or is there a setting you've been using for years that most owners still don't know about? Drop it in the comments, because everyone wants to know which Honda features deserve more attention. Hit that subscribe button if you believe that we know that Honda has always focused on making cars smarter, more practical, and easier to live with. And now, that same philosophy is moving into the electric era. Watch my breakdown of how Honda's 2027 EV strategy could completely change the future of driving. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.